Hi everyone. So we're going to be making a text-based adventure game for our last assignment, and I'm going to show you how to start. Uh, you need a Windows computer to start with, like my desktop here, and you need access to a Notepad file, and we're going to use that to write our script. Here it is. This is one I started earlier. So this is a simple script called Batch Script, and it lets you write a game that will run in command prompt. And I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is save it in a format that we can understand. So we go Save As. I'm going to come down here and go All Files, and I'm going to call it my game dot bat. Bat short for batch, and that will make it into a sort of game format. There you go, and then you can see it there. The two little spanners there have showed up. That's my game, and this is the place where I'm going to actually write the script. So I'm going to start by turning the echo off. That's my first command. Echo is whenever you want the computer to say something to somebody else, to the player. I'm going to turn the echo off to start with because I don't want the player to see any of my script that's going on here. I only want them to see what I want them to see. So start with echo off. Then I'm going to go make a new page called menu. That's the first page. And I'll write CLS because this is my title for the actual page, and then this tells the computer that I want it to start a new page, CLS. Add a title. I'm going to call it my awesome game. And then I'm going to go turn echo off again. New page. Oops, yeah, that's right. I can actually change the color of the font, which is pretty cool. There's heaps and heaps and heaps you can choose. Basically, it's 0 and then a letter after it will pick a number. I'm going to choose 0B today. If you just Google batch script colors, then you'll find a whole list of the different ones, but they're basically a number and then a letter after it will make a color. So I'm going to start off here. It's the first thing I'm going to see. Turn echo on, and I'm going to say, welcome to my game. Yay. And then I'll put a pause in so it doesn't go too fast. And then I want them to see echo, and I want them, if they press number 1, oops, 1 is start. 2 is information, and 3 is to exit. Right, that's what the player's going to see when they open up my game, but right now these pages don't actually mean anything. So I need to tell the computer what to do. So I'm going to go set P for player. Don't forget the slash. The player on the menu page equals. And then I want to say the if statements, like from our of code. So we've got our if, and I put little percentages around menu because we're on the menu page. If the menu is equal to 1, so if the player presses 1, I want the computer to go to start. Oops, spell it right. Start. And then if the player, so menu is equal to 2, if the player presses 2, go to info, and then if menu is equal to 3, go to exit. There you go. Now that will actually do something, but I've made the links to these pages, but I haven't actually made the pages they go to. So just like I made a menu page here, it's got all of this on it, I'm going to make a start page now that will have all the things on the start page on it. So I go : start for a new page, CLS. I can change the color if I want to. I will, just so you can see what it's like. F this time. And I'm going to go echo hello. And then a pause so it doesn't go too fast. Echo how are you? And then I want the player to actually write something back now. So I go set player okay equals echo. So they're going to write something in response there, and then the computer will respond. Hopefully they'll say something like good or fine, or I'm feeling. And then whatever they said there at that spot, I want the computer to echo back to them. So I'm feeling okay too. And then I'll put a pause. Let me just show you what that looks like so far. So we've got our menu page here. We've got 3 options on the start, and then we've got a little conversation going on. So I'm going to just save what I've got. Then I come down here to my batch script, and let's see what that does. Welcome to my game. Now you can see I've got start, information, exit. So I press 1. Hello. Now you can see I've changed color. That's because 0F is white. How are you? I'm going to write good. Oops, good. I'm feeling good too. And then that's the end of the script we've written so far. So now I can actually get into it and make the other 2 pages work, the info and the exit page. So I'll come down a bit and I'll make an info page. CLS, because it's a new page. 0, A this time. And on the info page, echo. I'm going to just tell the player what my game's going to be about and how to move around in it. So, in this game, I'm going to write a game about being trapped in a house and you have to kind of get out of it. So, in this game, you are trapped in a house. Can you find the exit, or will you be stuck there for good? Now you can see that's really long and it's going right across my page. I might even just come down here and make a new echo so it's not going too far across my page. Echo, solve the puzzles by typing numbers and solve the puzzle by typing numbers and I'll just might put that by typing numbers. It's basically how you're going to get through my game. Good luck. Oops. Good luck. And then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to write another. I want to get back to the menu page, so I'm going to go echo, same as I did up here. Press 1. What am I doing? 1. To return to menu or echo 2. Actually, might just come back. I might do a different one here. I might go return to menu, and then I'll go y/n, yes or no. And then I want the player to, so go set player to write either yes or no. info if hashtag info, because I'm on the page info, so now this is our choice for here. If info is equal to y, go to menu. If info is equal to n, go to exit. Right, so there's my info page. Now, last of all, I'm going to make an exit page. It's going to be really simple. Batch already knows the command exit, so as soon as you go to that page, it will get out of the program. Let's have a look at that so far. So save what I've done. Go back into my game. Here it is. Welcome to my game. This time I'm going to try information. Oops. Oh, you see how it went too fast? I didn't have any pauses in there, so it ran away on me. So I'm going to go back here to my info page and make sure I've got a pause. Let's see if that's a bit better. Info. There you go. In this game, you're trapped in a house. Can you find the exit, or will you stuck there for good? Solve the puzzle by typing numbers. Good luck. Oops, I need another pause again. It just disappeared. You'll find when you make this this kind of game, there'll be a lot of checking and rechecking to make sure you've done this right. Oops, sorry, I still need that